JBL C100 or the Realme Buds Air. Which one is best for gaming? Let's find out. So before getting to this video, if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can do that from the top right corner in the info card. And at any point, if you are interested in either of these earphones, then you can check out all the links down below in the description. And one more thing, please use a wired earphones or wired speaker or inbuilt speaker of your device for this video, because if you were using a wireless earphones, the latency will increase. So recently JBL dropped their C100 and Realme dropped their Buds Air. So in my recent video we compared all the things about these earphones, but today we are only focusing on the gaming mode and which one is the best for gaming itself. So as you know, these earphones connects over Bluetooth, so there would be some sort of latency and you cannot expect it to work like a wired earphones. So if you are or want to become a pro gamer, then you shouldn't go over Bluetooth for gaming for like next 10 years. But if you are a casual gamer, then you should continue this video. So how we are going to perform this test, I'm going to record this video in 60p, that is 60 frames per second, and then we will bring it down to the 24 frames per second and slow it down. We will note down the time, how much time it takes to reach the sound. First we will test with the wired earphones. Here I'm using the One More Piston Fit, which is my daily driver by the way. So let's start with a YouTube video first. Here is the video that I found. It's an audio video sync test. So when the ball hits the floor, we should hear a tick sound. So let's play. As expected, there is no lag with One More Piston Fit earphones, as this is the wired earphones, so the sound is totally passing through the copper wires. We are not experiencing any kind of a delay. Maybe we can also watch another YouTube video on this. The Xiaomi's Mi LED Smart Desk Lamp 1S. That is a mouthful of words, but it was launched around 3 years ago in other countries and now it's finally here in India. So this was one of the beautiful looking lamps that I've seen so far. Yeah, there is no lag when watching YouTube videos with One More Piston Fit or any other wired earphones. But now let's move to the gaming test. So there are basically two games that we are going to test. PUBG and COD Mobile, which are the most trending games, and a lot of you guys are into these games. First, let's fire up PUBG. So let's get into the training mode, pick up some weapons and fire some shots. You can see that there is no lag here. There is no difference in audio and video, so that's really perfect. And again, it was expected with the wired earphones, and same case in the Call of Duty. Literally there is no lag in this. So if you are a pro gamer or you want to become a pro gamer, always go with the wired earphones. But now let's move to the JBL C100 and see how it goes. So first let's fire up some YouTube videos. As you can see that there is a slight delay, and this is generally the difference that you experience with wireless earphones, that is over Bluetooth and anything that connects wirelessly. And if we have any kind of obstruction or any interference, then the latency will increase further. Let's also do an audio video sync test to have a precise measurements. So this is a very simple test. As the ball drops on the floor, we are supposed to hear a sound, a tick sound. So let's begin. So here we can clearly see the lag of the C100. We are getting around 170 milliseconds to 210 milliseconds of delay, which is okay to watch YouTube videos or movies, but not very enjoyable experience for gaming. But we will test it out ourselves, how good they perform in gaming. So let's fire up PUBG first. So again, let's get into the training mode and pick up some weapons. Here we are getting significant amount of delay, and if I slow it down, we can see that the delay is around 670 milliseconds, which is good amount of lag, and I don't think you will get far in the game if you have this amount of lag. And even in COD Mobile we have the same experience. It's a good amount of lag, around 540 to 630 milliseconds, which is really poor. So overall JBL C100 are somewhat acceptable for watching YouTube videos and music, as you won't hear the delay in music. There is only slight delay when you play the track or pause it, but when the song is playing you won't feel any lag. But for gaming, please do not consider the C100. But still we have one more contender left in this battle, which is the Realme Buds Air, and I'm a little excited to test it because these earphones have a gaming mode, so they should perform a little better than the C100. But let's jump into the test and see how they will perform. So first we will fire up a YouTube video without the gaming mode enabled, and then with the gaming mode. Launched the long-awaited Mi Desk Lamp 1S in India. So in this video we are going to unbox it and review it and see if it's actually worth it. The Smart Desk Lamp 1S. So this is without the gaming mode. This is something how you will experience if you were have to watch a video with the Realme Buds Air. Let's also run an audio video sync test here. And here we are getting around 170 millisecond of delay. So that's kind of a delay you can expect from YouTube videos. So at this lag you can watch YouTube video or any movie with the Buds Air if you have the gaming mode turned off. But now if you turn on the gaming mode on the Buds Air by holding both of the earbuds for 3 seconds, and you will hear a car engine start sound, which means the gaming mode is activated. So now if we watch the video again, unique features, so both of them are made for different people, and at the end I will suggest which one is for whom, so bear with me this time. So both of the JBL C100 and Realme Buds, we can see there is a little difference but not a significant improvement, and it is little hard to notice the latency difference in video, but we can feel it more in the game. Now let's also do a audio video sync test. So here we will still get some delay when watching with gaming mode turned on, but this is not very much noticeable, and to be precise, we are getting around 40 milliseconds of delay, which is really awesome. But now let's get to the real deal. Let's test the gaming mode in real games. Let's fire up PUBG with gaming mode. First we will test it out without the gaming mode. So here you can see that we are getting around 460 milliseconds of delay, which is not playable. I cannot play games at this latency. You can easily die in the first few minutes. Like enemy would come and shoot you very easily before you even realize he was standing on your back. So without the gaming mode, don't play PUBG or even the COD mobile. So let's fire up the gaming mode on these earphones, and now let's see how much difference it makes. So in the PUBG the latency has decreased quite a bit, but still it's not playable, I would say. Realme is claiming around 120 millisecond of delay, and if we were getting those numbers we would still be able to play the game, but at 500 milliseconds it's not playable at all. And in COD as well we have similar results. It's 380 milliseconds and it's not playable. So I don't know how they claim 120 millisecond of delay, but we are not even close to that. But if you ask me, I would say you can easily watch YouTube videos, movies on both of these earphones, the C100 and the Buds Air, but you cannot play games on either of these earphones. You can listen to music. There is no delay in music, as there is only delay when you play the music and there is slight delay in playback, but once the song starts there is no delay at all. So yeah, definitely you can watch movies, YouTube videos, music on any of these earphones, but for gaming please stay away from both of these earphones. There is too much of latency that you won't enjoy the games you are playing. So for games you should definitely consider some wired earphones as of now, as there is no good earphone that has so low latency. So for music, videos, any of these earphones, but not for gaming. But if you're looking for any other wired earphones or any kind of a thing, any kind of audio device or any tech in general, then you should definitely subscribe to the channel and turn on notification, as I do post every week about these tech gears, earphones, audio devices. Anything that comes around in the market is on my channel, I guess. But that's been it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.